Unlock the power of gratitude. Transform your life. Welcome to our special episode on gratitude. Today, we dive into the transformative power of simple acts of thankfulness. Stay tuned till the end for an unusual and powerful tip that could change the way you view gratitude forever. Let's embark on this journey of appreciation together. Quote number 1. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Aesop. Quote number 2. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. Cicero. Gratitude. Benefit number 1. Studies reveal that expressing gratitude can significantly improve your sleep quality and enhance your mood. Quote number 3. The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see. Mary Davis. Quote number 4. Gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgivings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. William Arthur Ward. Gratitude tip. Number 1. Start each day by thinking of someone you're grateful for. It could be anyone from a close friend to your local barista. Quote. Number 5. Being thankful is not always experienced as a natural state of existence. We must work at it, akin to a type of strength training for the heart. Larissa Gomez. Quote. Number 6. When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. Willie Nelson. Gratitude benefit. Number 2. Regularly expressing gratitude can bolster your immune system, making you more resilient to illnesses. Quote. Number 7. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Melody Beattie. Quote number 8. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Henry Ward Beecher. Gratitude. Tip number 2. Implement the habit of writing in a gratitude journal before bed, reflecting on the positives of your day. Quote number 9. Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Your willingness to put it into words is all that is necessary. Margaret Cousins. Quote. Number 10. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. Zig Ziglar. Gratitude benefit number 3. Gratitude practice can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, fostering a more positive outlook on life. Quote. Number 11. Every day, bring some flowers to your life. Every day, bring some blessings in someone's life. Amit Ray. Quote number 12. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. Charles Dickens. Gratitude. Tip. Number 3. Express gratitude directly. Send a thank you text or note to someone who has positively impacted your day. Quote. Number 13. Gratitude opens the door to the power, the wisdom, the creativity of the universe. You open the door through gratitude. Deepak Chopra. Quote number 14. Gratitude is the sign of noble souls. Aesop. Gratitude benefit. Number 4. Chronic pain and its psychological repercussions can be alleviated through consistent gratitude practices. Quote. Number 15. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. Marcel Proust. Quote number 16. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness. It's the spark that lights a fire of joy in your soul. Amy Collette. Gratitude. Tip number 4. Share your gratitude with others by paying compliments and acknowledging their strengths or kindness. Quote number 17. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. Marcus Tullius Cicero. Quote number 18. Gratitude can transform any situation. It alters your vibration, moving you from negative to positive. Rhonda Byrne. Gratitude benefit number 5. Practicing gratitude may reduce the risk of certain diseases by promoting a healthier lifestyle and mindset. Quote number 19. Gratitude doesn't change the scenery. It merely washes clean the glass you look through so you can clearly see the colors. Rochelle E. Goodrich. Quote number 20. Gratitude is the most exquisite form of courtesy. Jacques Maritain. Gratitude tip number 5. Reflect on and acknowledge small daily wins or moments of joy. Quote number 21. Silent gratitude isn't very much to anyone. Gertrude Stein. Quote number 22. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. Doris Day. Gratitude benefit number 6. Gratitude can be a stepping stone to creating stronger and more meaningful relationships, both personally and professionally. Quote number 23. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Henry Ward Beecher. Quote number 24. When eating fruit, remember the one who planted the tree. Vietnamese proverb. Are you getting a sense of how important gratitude is to your well-being? Feeling thankful? Okay, let's continue. Gratitude. Tip number 6. Compliment someone genuinely every day. Quote number 25. The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation for goodness. Dalai Lama. Quote number 26. Joy is the simplest form of gratitude. Karl Barth. Gratitude benefit. Number 7. Enhances empathy and reduces aggressive behaviors. Quote number 27. Gratitude is the music of the heart when its chords are swept by the breeze of kindness. Quote number 28. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. Melody Beattie. Gratitude tip number 7. Volunteer or help others as a way to express and feel gratitude. Quote number 29. No one who achieves success does so without acknowledging the help of others. Alfred North Whitehead. Quote number 30. Gratitude is the sign of noble souls. Aesop. Gratitude benefit. Number 8. Increases mental strength and resilience. Quote number 31. Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us as well. Voltaire. Quote number 32. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. Cicero. Gratitude. Tip number 8. Practice mindfulness and meditation focused on grateful thoughts. Quote number 33. Gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgivings. William Arthur Ward. Quote number 34. Thankfulness creates gratitude which generates contentment. Todd Stalker. Gratitude benefit. Number 9. Boosts self-esteem and reduces social comparisons. Quote number 35. Gratitude is a currency that we can mint for ourselves and spend without fear of bankruptcy. Fred DeWitt Van Amber. Quote number 36. Gratitude is an art of painting an adversity into a lovely picture. Kakshri. Gratitude. Tip number 9. Practice mindfulness and meditation, focused on grateful thoughts. Quote number 37. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. Zig Ziglar. Quote number 38. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. William Arthur Ward. Gratitude benefit. Number 10. Promotes better sleep patterns. Quote number 39. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Melody Beattie. Quote number 40. The essence of all beautiful art, all great art, is gratitude. Friedrich Nietzsche. Gratitude tip. Number 10. Create a gratitude collage with images that represent things you're thankful for. Quote number 41. True gratitude comes from knowing that you belong in the infinite dance of life. John O'Donohue. Quote number 42. Gratitude is the most exquisite form of courtesy. Jacques Maritain. Gratitude benefit. Number 11. encourages the development of patience, humility, and wisdom. Quote, number 43. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. Henri Frédéric Amiel. Quote, number 44. Gratitude and attitude are not challenges, they are choices. Robert Brothy. Gratitude tip. Number 11. Send a gratitude letter to someone who has influenced your life positively. Quote, number 45. Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. Eckhart Tolle. Quote number 46. In ordinary life, we hardly realize that we receive a great deal more than we give, and that it is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. Dietrich Bonhoeffer. Gratitude benefit number 12. Enhances relationships and social connections. Quote, number 47. Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. Eckhart Tolle. Quote number 48. In ordinary life, we hardly realize that we receive a great deal more than we give, and that it is only with gratitude that life becomes rich. Dietrich Bonhoeffer. Gratitude tip number 12. Make it a habit to say thank you for even the smallest acts of kindness. Quote, number 49. Gratitude is a quality similar to electricity. It must be produced and discharged and used up in order to exist at all. William Faulkner. Quote number 50. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. Oprah Winfrey. Final unusual gratitude fact. And as we promised, here's the unusual fact. By expressing gratitude, you're not just benefiting emotionally and mentally. You're engaging in a behavior that can actually change your brain's structure. Studies show that gratitude can lead to increased neural sensitivity in the medial prefrontal cortex, a brain area associated with learning and decision-making. This means gratitude can literally reshape your brain, enhancing your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of gratitude. Remember, the simplest act of appreciation can have the most profound impact. Start small, but start today. Until next time, keep practicing gratitude